Look out of any window in the morning, in the evening, in the day. Maybe the sun is shining, birds are winging, or rain is falling from a heavy sky. What do you want me to do for you to see you through? For this is all a dream we dreamed one afternoon long ago. Walk out of any doorway, feel your way like the day before. Maybe you'll find direction around some corner where it's been waiting to meet you. What do you want me to do? To watch for you by just leaving? Well, please don't be surprised when you find me dreaming too. Look into any eyes you find by you can see clear to another day. Maybe been seen before through other eyes on other days while going home. What do you want me to do for you to see you through? For it's all a dream we dreamed one afternoon long ago. Walk into splintered sunlight, inch your way through dead dreams to another land. Maybe you're tired and broken, your tongue is twisted with the words unspoken and thoughts unclear. What do you want me to do for you to see you through? The box of rain will ease the pain and love will see you through. Just a box of rain, wind and water. Believe it if you need it. If you don't, just pass it on. Sun and shower, wind and rain, in and out the window. Now come on for a play. And it's just a box of rain. I don't know who put it there. Believe it if you need it, or leave it if you dare. And it's just a box of rain, or a ribbon for your hair. Such a